Hi, welcome to my townhouse. What we are watching right now is the HBO. We are watching HBO, and the movie that we are watching right now is Haywire. I'm going to show you other channels here. That is the channel, the Viva channel, and that one is HBO also. And we're watching The Sopranos. That one is the PBO. That's the PBO, and that one is the Fox movies. So the next movie would be the We Bought a Zoo. We Bought a Zoo, and that is the Cinema One. And okay, that's the Cinema One, and that is the Jim Jam. That's for children's channel. And also that is the Disney Channel. The Disney Channel. And that was the Cartoon Network. Okay, yeah, thank you for watching. See you on the other videos on this on cable channels.